It's so small! Small egg! Why? So little! I want more! Friends, let's make giant Kinder Surprise! We need chocolate or cacao, more powder, and water! Let's shake this! I need a grill. Grill power! A few moments later. Oh, very hot chocolate! And let's make chocolate egg. Let's do this. I need refrigerator. Wait 1 hour. Open door. Wow! So giant Kinder Surprise! Let's open! No! I need a hammer! Let's make this! Wow! Very yummy chocolate! So many toys! Wow! Very nice! I want more chocolate! So many toys we have in giant Kinder Surprise! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 30! And 1 giant minion! Subscribe and watch my next video!